What up, guys? The Core Dao community is so much excited right now because of the launching of the blockchain, which is happening in few hours time. That's in less than 24 hours from now. We are going to be launching into the real mainnet, the mainnet that we all have been anticipating. So guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about a little recap. We're going to be having a little recap about everything going on about this mainnet right now, and we're still going to talk a little bit about what we should be expecting in the nearest future for this project. And also I'm going to show you guys a particular project that CoreDAO has just launched, but is not yet well known to everybody. You know, I always bring you guys the best, and all my informations are always from the right source. I don't go through any other place. If the information is not coming from CoreDAO themselves, I am not going to be passing it out to you. So guys, if you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. Alright guys, so if you linked your wallet recently from the Satoshi app to your MetaMask wallet, if you linked it recently and you check your wallet and it is looking exactly like this, then congratulations, you are part of the first batch of those who are going to receive the 25% of their core into their wallet. But if you are not able to link your wallet address till now, there's no problem. You still have another chance to do that. You know, I told you guys, anytime you're checking through all these platforms, make sure you read. You need to read. Don't just click because someone told you to click. You need to read to know why you are clicking. So guys, take your time to read, and it is over here. It is over here. They warned us that data will be sent just twice. So the first one is already done, which is on February 6th. So we'll be expecting the next one on May 15th. So if you haven't linked your wallet, you can still do that. You have the time to do that before May 15th. So guys, if you don't know how to do it, I already made previous video on that. You can go to my YouTube channel and you click on the first video, which is over here. You're going to learn how to link your wallet address to the Satoshi Core application. So go ahead, click it and learn. And you can also check other videos on my channel. I have more videos on how to use the Satoshi Core and the Core mainnet on my channel. So, or better still, download our Satoshi Core tutorial app, where we compile different videos of how you can use the Satoshi application and also the core chain, both the test and the mainnet. You are going to learn a lot from this application if you are a newcomer to the crypto space or to the core application itself. So you're going to be learning a lot. It's going to guide you. You can check here, you can see lots of videos are much here. How to delegate, everything you need to know is right here. How to link your address, everything is here. You can find them. Just take your time to watch the videos, or if you also like reading, you can click on the blog section, which is over here. Click on the blog section, you're going to see lots of articles that you can read. It's going to also guide you on some steps, some things you need to know about the core blockchain. So you take your time to read. So if you have questions after you've gone through the app and you have questions, you can go ahead and join the community over here. So you have to join the community over here, which is over here, and you can ask any questions, and someone is definitely going to answer you in the community over there. So guys, if you want to download this application, the link is in the description of this video. You can go down below, click on it, and you are going to download the application. There have been lots of tension in the core community right now, lots of excitement, lots of confusion, lots of people anticipating this particular date right now, the 8th February 2023. That's when Core is going to be launching, and lots of projects are also waiting for this particular date so that they can also launch on the mainnet. Lots of exchanges also. Brandon, a contributor from the CoreDAO, has been doing lots of AMA lately because of the launch of this project. CoreDAO also now has their own wallet, and I guess they'll be launching this after everything is settled. You know, after the 8th, let me say after 8, I think everything will be we'll be knowing more about that. And so so far from what I can gather from the AMA that Brandon has been doing lately with all these exchanges, what I could gather is 8th February 2023 is confirmed for the day we are going to be receiving our 25% in our wallet. We are going to be knowing the value of core. We're going to know the value of whatever we've mined all this while. We're going to see everything clearly on this particular date. And also there are lots of good projects that will be launching on the core blockchain with lots of utilities that can help the ecosystem. And guess what? Core is going to be very, very scarce. Yes, core is going to be very, very scarce. We were expecting about 8 million addresses to receive core on this launch day, but from the AMA that Brenda has been doing lately, he mentioned that less than 2 million addresses are going to be receiving core in their wallet. So meaning that there are lots of people that didn't link their wallet address to the Satoshi app. Now, this is happening due to the core community is full of newbies to the crypto world. Lots of people are getting to know crypto through Core Dao. So lots of people need to be educated and understand how this thing works. Some people find this technology stuff, all these things a little bit complicated and difficult to handle, so they just neglect this thing. Or like I can say some are just ignorance of this thing. They don't even bother to know how this thing works. So that's just what it is. Well, my channel is here if you want to know more about Core, how to use the application, how to use the blockchain or the testnet or any of them, anything about Satoshi Core. Just come to my channel, subscribe to my channel. You know, there are lots of videos there. Take your time and go through them. So guys, now speaking about good projects, CoreDAO just dropped another one. It's you can find this right now in the Discord server. You have to be on the Discord server to be able to see this project right now. So this is a brand new one, and they encourage the community to participate in this project, and it's really gonna help the ecosystem of the blockchain also. So there are rewards for these activities. Anyway, there are rewards for this in the nearest future. So guys, I encourage you guys to jump on this and make use of and take advantage of this project also, because it's still it's a new project that is going to really help the ecosystem. So what I'm going to do here, okay, now before I go any further, let me tell you things you need to have in order for you to participate on this project, this new one that is over here right now. You need to have an account on the Discord server, on the CoreDAO Discord server. You need to have an account, and also you need to have an account on the Crew3 website. So I'm going to leave the link to the Crew3 website in the description of this video. So if you just go down there, you click on it, it's going to bring you to the Crew3 website. Then all you need to do is to connect, and once you click on connect, you are going to be logged in. And sorry, for you to be logged in, you will need to be on Discord. So let me just quickly show you this. Let me just quickly show you how to connect. So all you need to do, once you come to the page, you click on connect, and make sure you use your Discord, not your wallet, because you don't need to link anything wallet here. All you need, they just need you to verify that you are on their Discord server. That's why they just need you to verify with Discord. So all you need to do is to click on Discord, and if you have not signed up on Discord, you need to get an account on Discord server. Then you can be able to link this with the new website. So I'm going to make another full tutorial on how you can engage on this platform and start earning rewards on this platform. So that's why you need to quickly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell sign, because I will be dropping new updates about all these things, about Core, Satoshi, Core Dao, and lots more of stuff on this platform. So quickly, if you don't have an account on Discord, go ahead, go and download it, and you can get an account easily. It's free of charge, very easy. Then you can copy this link, or you just click on the link in the description of this video for you to be able to get to Crew3 website. So you can see right now I'm connected, and in the next video I'll be explaining to you how we can make use of this platform to make and how we can make use of this platform, and how you can also earn with this platform. So guys, I see you again in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like what I showed you, and subscribe to my channel. I see you guys again in the next video. Bye.